Could be all right. No, no. Come on,
That's
wind.
all right.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Is it?
So, why haven't you entered the giveaway? Why not? It's easy. This
Yeah.
video over Ed's face. There we go.
Even Cookie's entered.
Exactly.
What's
All
the
you
answer?
need to do.
What's the answer? She got it right.
Oh, that's
She's
excellent.
got it right. So if she can get it right, guys, so can you.
All you've got to do is comment on the video that I've put over Ed's face again. Just comment on that video the answer to the question. Watch the video, answer the question.
can say
Like
what-
SULKNATIOntv and KAIZEN Automotive on Facebook. That's all you need to do, people.
Are we going to say what the question is? Because I can't be asked to say it.
No,
They can
no,
look
go
at-
and
they
watch
can
it.
go and look
It's
at
a
it, can't
simple
they?
question.
They can do the work.
Exactly.
If they want something for free, they can get it.
And
can't they,
if
Cookie?
they
Yes,
like
they can.
if they like the channel, if you're
Yeah.
watching our channel anyway, you'll know that we both love Arnold Schwarzenegger.
And I love Cookie.
Yeah, so it's a question about Arnold.
So go look now.
Get out.
Comment below. Free stuff coming your way.
Get out of your chair. Get into the game.
Coming your way.
Yeah.
Ba, 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 ba.